मैं एसएनबीपी के पूरे शिक्षकगण, पूरे कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी सबका आभार यहाँ पे मानता हूँ। सच में ललित सर और मयूर सर ये एसएनबीपी के अजय अतुल है। जो कोऑर्डिनेशन आज मैंने देखा, मीन्स विद इन 2 days इतना बड़ा इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया। मैं मेरे 2 बच्चे इस स्कूल में पढ़ रहे हैं, 6th स्टैंडर्ड में हो, तो मैं आई एम सच अ लकी पर्सन टू मेरे बच्चों को इतना अच्छा स्कूल मिला और मुझे उनके भविष्य की अभी कुछ चिंता नहीं लग रही है। सो थैंक्स टू ऑल एसएनबीपी कोऑर्डिनेशन कमिटी, मैनेजमेंट, भोसले सर एंड मुख्य अतिथि। थैंक यू सो मच।
This is the sound of Ajay.
Myself Mridula Manoj Savarkar from class 8th and I am here to tell you the extraordinary experience of Ajay Atul Instrumental Theme. So the theme was overall challenging for me, but Anand sir's excellent teaching helped me a lot to build up my confidence. In past months' practice session, we learned about many things about keyboard, including quick chord shifting, starting a note on beat, and how to play brass leads and leads efficiently. Anand sir had been setting different tones on different keyboard to demonstrate the magic of harmony. In the song Moria, I learned how to play brass leads. In Jeev Rangla composition, I learned how to play leads with time precision, and we also got an opportunity to play the legendary song Jhinga. I therefore thank the SNBP team to give me opportunity to showcase my talent live on stage, and also the efforts put up by Anand sir, and we all will surely be over.
Hello everyone, my name is Sonakshi Tazne. I am from 9B. It was a really great experience playing in Ajay Atul theme. I got to know more about Ajay Atul and their songs. And a really big thank you to Lalit sir and the SNBP management to give me this opportunity. Thank you.
My name is Swara Rajpurkar and I am from grade 8B. I want to tell the intuitive experience of me being in the Ajay Atul ji theme. At first I didn't know who Ajay Atul was, but now I do know many of his Marathi albums, folk songs and Gundhar. When Anand sir told me that I was selected for playing the keyboard for the Ajay Atul theme, I was nervous but also really excited as it was the first time I was playing the keyboard. The journey of me playing the keyboard in the Ajay Atul ji theme really gave me an unforgettable experience. I would thank Anand sir and the whole music department for giving me an incredible experience. Thank you.
Everybody, this is Sanvi Pawar from class 9B. I am here to share my experience with you guys. Playing Ajay Atul on drums has been a rewarding challenge. Their music blends complex rhythms and dynamic shifts, often incorporating Indian traditional rhythms and modern styles. I focused on mastering intricate beats, smooth transitions, and incorporating tabla and dholak into my drumming. I would like to thank Lalit sir, who provided me invaluable feedback, helped me refine my technique, and encouraged me to push my limits. I would like to also thank music department for giving me this opportunity and making me part of this legendary team. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sara Karnataki and I am from 9th. I am a bassist in the Ajay Atul theme of the SNBP Techno School's annual gathering. Being a part of the band was an inspiring and a challenging experience for me. From the thrilling beats of Moria to the classical beats of Gondhar section, I experienced each genre of emotion through the songs of Ajay Atul ji. I learned the efficiency of teamwork. We were also being taught about the importance of tempo and bass in a song. Further, I thank Lalit sir and the SNBP team to provide me this opportunity filled with unforgettable experience. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Tejas and I am this year participating for Ajay Atul team. I started as a lonely kid and I didn't know anything about music. I have been in the SNBP family for about 3 years, but when I started, I knew only about studies. I didn't know anything about music or what the drums was. When I first started, in the first time of annual function, I came in a theme of techno stamp. We didn't play with any instruments, but with household items. But from that time, I have been included in the drums. I now know what is the drums, but in the starting, I didn't know anything. I didn't know what to play, how the drums were, or what the parts of the drums were called. But when Lalit sir, our drums teacher, taught us about the drums, it all came to sense. Now I can play different rhythm beats thanks to the after classes Lalit sir is taking. Thanks to Lalit sir and the cooperative music team for teaching me about the drums and wholesome instruments. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Tanish Moite and I would be sharing my experience in the Ajay Atul band. I am so glad that I was able to participate in this event as it was a great learning experience and it boosted my confidence. We heard about Ajay Atul ji from their hit songs, but by playing them, we understood how of a great composers they are. As of me, I am playing the djembe instrument, which is a Western instrument.
अजय अतुल जी की परफॉर्मेंस से पहले हमारे म्यूज़िक टीचर्स ने हमें सिखाया है कि हमेशा हमें उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि वो जहाँ भी हो हमें उनसे उनका आशीर्वाद मिल सके। और हमें ये भी सिखाया गया है कि अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स पे चादर रखना चाहिए और हम अच्छे से अपने सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स को मेंटेन करते हैं। तो चलिए सिम्फनी ऑफ सोल के अगले थीम अजय अतुल जी के थीम के लिए आगे बढ़ते हैं।